Hello guys, welcome to Hackers Hub. In this video, I will be telling you how you can set up the installation, how you can set up or download the Linux in the virtual machine. So I'm using here the Oracle virtual machine. This is provided by the Oracle company. You may download the any other like VMware or Hyper-V, any software. It's totally up to you. All the resources linked in the description. So the second thing is of Linux itself. I'm using here the VirtualBox provided by the Oracle. You can use VMware, Hyper-V, QME. There are a lot. The third thing is the file extraction tool. I'm using the WinRAR file extraction tool. So let's see how you can set up. So I have downloaded the kalilinux. You can extract it here, any other location also, but I'm using this location only. So this extraction speed totally depends on your system configuration, your cores, your RAM, your so mine is little good, so it will be so quick. So the Linux has extracted the file. So we are getting here two files. Let's jump into the Oracle. So this is the user interface of the Oracle VirtualBox. Let's add the downloaded extracted file. Okay, so this is the extension we are using. Not okay. Let's directly start this whole process. Basically, Oracle has already skipped the setup installation, basic setup installation that we required in the earlier days. If you want to install the Linux through the ISO file, then you need to just add the ISO location. Then you will be asked for the basic setup installation. Okay, so but in the Oracle virtual machine, we have skipped a lot of questions of the installation, and we will directly see the this part. The by default password and the by default username is Kali Kali. Both are Kali. Okay, so this is the first user interface of the Kali Linux. Kali Linux. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. This is just like a window you have in this here. We all have categorized the applications like information gathering. All the tools are here. Password attacks. All the tools are here. Sniffing, post, forensic. All those recently used apps. This is Firefox. Directly, you can jump into the desktop here. This is the file system. So this is the CPU utilization, how much CPU, how much RAM you are using. This is the terminal. This is the root terminal, which you have, means you have a lot of powers. Okay. This is the user interface, and we will see how you can customize what is the basic Linux environment, how you can use it in later videos. But this video is all about the installation process. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe it. Stay with us.